How to factory reset your iPad Air M4. Let's do it quickly. So you're going to go into the settings, then you're going to select General, go all the way down into the General settings on the right side and select Transfer or Reset iPad. From here, you're going to have the option Erase all content and settings. Tap on it and it will specify what will be erased, which is everything, all the apps and data. So every personal data that you have on the iPad, your Apple account will be removed from the iPad, and also Find My will not work with this iPad. You won't be able to track your iPad on the Find My app. Press continue if you agree with this, and then select Erase iPad. You will also need afterwards to enter the password of your Apple account if you want to remove it from this device. And afterwards, it takes around a minute, 2 minutes. The screen will go black. It will power on by itself afterwards, and you'll be able to set up this iPad as a brand new one. So if you want to resell it, the other person will not have access to any of your personal information. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.